In front of me is OPPO A6x, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to find an app code files that's already on your OPPO. It should be in a Google folder. This one. So click on it. And when you're ready, tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Then hit clean at the top. Tap on clean next to junk files and clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!